See that? That is a egg sandwich, but that is not exactly a bread. To see the recipe on this, look at my other video, how I made this. It looks like a toast. And inside it's got avocado, cheese, eggs, and arugula lettuce. I can't even say the name right. Arguela, whatever. So that's what's in there. And that's a serious sandwich. I'll fill you up real good. It's all, I guess, protein and no carbohydrates, or pretty close to no carbohydrates. That's what this is about. That's a whole game plan. I have been doing this for the last couple of months. Losing a few pounds of weight, I suppose. Because you know how it is. You get old. That's what happened to me. And you don't do much and you keep eating. And your blood sugar, glucose, whatever, pre-diabetic nonsense. So let's see how all this goes. I've lost, I've lost 20 pounds as far as I know over the last couple of months. So we'll see how it goes, how long this lasts. And I guess anything is better than just bleach, flour, and ice cream, and rice, and top ramen, and macaroni and cheese, all this hot dogs, processed food, pop, all that stuff, out with those and see how this goes. So here I go. I'm going to put the camera down and start eating. All right, so now you know if you want to make one of this, all you need to do is actually make this, I guess, flourless bread. And look at my other video how I made that. Okay, and the ingredient is in the video. All right, take care.